Well, America, running I left Morgan Point and come back to the Arkansas River. And this is what we've been doing. Sitting here under this bridge doing this. You should see in a second. One of us should be bringing something up. There go Ronnie P. He got him. Ronnie Pigster. Now he been doing that quite regular there, peeps. I just got robbed. Watch Ronnie see if he could do that again, America. Sure, I think we got about 50 brims in here. And a gar. Let's see. You broke the hook. Well, okay, America, I'm through for right now. I got to discuss something with him.